Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to part 1 of a Let's Play that I'm going to start doing. It's Divine RPG, and as you guys know, or you may not, you probably don't, this is a brand new world that I started up a while ago, probably like a week, and this is like my house, and I pretty, wow, this armor sucks. It's even worse than the leather armor. But as you can see, I do have some good stuff. I have realmite, sorry, realmite. I've done. This is like a Divine RPG world that I started. And as you can see, the realmite pickaxe is has weird texture glitch. If you don't have an HD texture pack, it gets that weird glitch. So I also do have whatchamacallit. I have more creatures and some other mods installed, so I can like mess around with those too, make it a little bit harder on myself. Because if you guys know me, I like things hard. That'd be hysterical if I played like Divine RPG with all these other horrible mods. Not horrible like bad, but like horrible scary mods. These mods are actually really good. Good. I said good. Good. But these mods are really good. I love them so much. Especially Divine RPG. That's just too amazing. I gotta eat some bread. The way I got my bread is that I found an abandoned mine shaft, died, and spawned in everything back that I lost. Yes, I had to cheat. Don't complain. Although you never saw an episode of this because this is the first episode. But we're going on strong already. Okay, so the first thing I want to get is, an enchantment table, because I already have the 2 diamond. This is like a big, mean pack of wolves. Oh gosh, massacre. Actually, they're massacring me, not me massacring them. That's usually what I do. Massacre them, they don't massacre me. Are you mad, bro? Yes, you are mad, bro. Oh, they're fighting. So I tried to get a snake in my house, and it hatched. But guess what? Only the worst thing that happened? It was evil when it hatched because I wasn't there. And so I was like, oh, hey, man. Are you gonna be my friend? And then it killed me twice. Actually, it only killed me once. Run away, snake. Run away from me. And my awesome sword. So I've actually looked up the realmite sword. And look how much melee damage it does. 6. So I only do 3 hearts to any given mob. Diamond swords, they do like 7. So my opinion, diamond sword is the way to go. But that's just me. Getting so many of these poison stingers. Look at that. Pew. Hey. taste your own medicine, fool. How does it feel? How does it feel? Oh, Sokka, how does it feel? How does it feel? The scorpion. Oh, it's a pet scorpion. The scorpion like armor, the kitten armor, or whatever it's called, Chilton armor, is wicked good. Maybe if they drop a few kitten or whatever it's pronounced. Get off of me, you poop. I'm sorry, that was. But hey, that is some kitten right there. Oh, I need more. I need more. Cause this old bad iron armor's not gonna cut it. Cause this isn't noob craft. This is divine RPG craft. Right? That's 4 blocks high. Hero Bryn? That's impossible. There can only be 3. Hero Bryn. Bad. Will you drop some kitten for me? No, you suck at life. Hey, Mr. Scorpion. Hey, man. Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Scorpion. Hi, buddy. Hey, you wanna go? Oh, yeah, that's right. Drop 2 poison stings. So I have more poison stingers than I could ever want, man. Baby Scorp, baby Scorp. String. I don't like string. For some reason, Skeletors don't have bows. I don't know why Skeletors don't have bows, but they don't have bows. They just run really fast and they come up and hit you and murder you. So right now I'm trying to get some. Okay, let me see. Chitin. Trying to get some chitin so I can make some really Joe armor. I just jumped over that snake, and if you look at it in the damage indicator, it just looked at me like, oh, he's flying. I might to find like somewhere where I can like get some seeds because I want to make a farm, because I like to make farms. Farms are like my specialty. Not really, but my specialty is being awesome. Stuff. Don't want to hit that mouse. Or it will be dead Mao. I'm sorry, that was stupid of me. Give me seeds. Give to me seeds. I'm gonna gather up some seeds. I'm gonna pause it quick. And we're back to my house. 13 seeds. Throw my pickaxe on the floor sometimes. Look at it. And its weird textureness. What the frick? What was that? Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Look how many eggs I have in my chest. Now I have so many poison stings. They're pretty fun to have, 'cause mystery freaking epic. Dun 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 dun. Okay, I'm stopped. So yes. Gonna need 1 bucket. So 1 bucket coming in. Maybe wondering, huh, how did you get all this iron without smelting it? I smelted it in a furnace, and I died. So I spawned it all back in. Okay, okay, little man. There we go. All right. Here, I'll just put the bucket in there. Bucket there. I'll just get the iron army. Okay, I need that. And I need a hoe. Ho 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 ho. There we go. Hoe. A stone hoe. My favorite kind of hoe, man. 5. Right there is already 10 seeds being used, so I guess we can just wait. And we'll like expand the farm later once we get more seeds, because we will get more seeds because wheat drops more seeds. Stop dampening, you little man. Oh, I forgot my seeds. Great. I think I actually might have more. I have 1 seed. Yeah. 14 seeds. It's pretty good. If I had 1 more, that'd be great. Then I could make, should I go? Some leaves over there. I want to see if I can punch a few. Hey, birdie. Oh, I wish I could throw you a seed. Maybe my pet. Maybe if I get like 2 more seeds. Alright. So I just found 1 more seed and a birdie. Wait, what? No, birdie, don't shuffle my cake. You cannot. You shall not. Hey, Raymond. There, get it. Oh, Joey. Wanna be mine? There. Oh no, I fed you. I fed you seed. Didn't mean to feed you seeds. Won't you like hop on my head? Or like, oh yeah, my birdie friend. Oh yeah, my birdie friend. Oh, my birdie friend. Oh, yeah, my birdie friend. Oh my God, I glide. Oh my God, I glide. What is that? Gonna kill it with my fist. With my fist. Gonna kill it with my sword. Yeah, swing it diamond sword. Cause at your face and you gonna die. Yeah, bitch, Joey, that's your name. Look at me. I'm still Gordon Freeman. Cause oh my God, that sugar cane is 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks high. You don't deserve to live. Cause you are 4 blocks high. Okay, that's annoying as heck. No, get off the crops, get off the crops, get off the crops. Bad. One more seed, you little brugger. Brugger, I called you brugger. But get off my freaking head. You don't deserve to be on my head. Hello, Scorpion. How's your mother? How's your mother? Oh, thanks for the kitten. Or chitin. Oh no. My friend is dying. You better not die on me now. End man. No, no, no. Oh no. Please. Oh no, not that, not that. Come on. Please. I killed my bird. I killed my bird. I don't know how I killed my bird, but I'm a murderer. I'm a murderer. I'm a murderer. Everybody. Everybody. I'm a murderer. Everybody. Everybody, I'm a murderer. Save me. Save me because I'm a murderer. Save me before I murder myself. I won't murder myself because I don't have to. But save me. Save me. I gotta go put dish over by the beach. Right? Wish I had a bone somewhere. Skanking. Mine. My nest. Oh gosh, I do have some bones. Oh yeah, from this. Like when I first got in here, there was like 4 chests down there that had like 1,000 bones and rotten flesh. And the flesh. There, see, I'm getting more seeds now. Luckily. Now I have 7 more seeds left, so. Now, I'm just gonna bone meal. Just gonna replant this. Let's make some bread. There. So I think I have some dead rats in here that we can smell. Us, not Rooney. Oh, I had coal on me. I had like a stack of coal when I was mining, and then I died. Hey, look, I fixed the problem. I spawned it in. So you know. So you know. Look at all my rotten flesh I have. Not pickaxes. Oh, I have apples. Nice. What else do I have? I have some beef. Ugh. So much stuff, not enough space. Some bread and apple. Some rat and some beef and some applesauce. Is there such thing as applesauce? That'd be amazing. Because I have another mod in here. There is. Okay, how do you make a pot? Applesauce, apple, and bowl. Okay, pot, easy to make. Let's go do it. Let's do it. I'm getting really excited right now because I want apple juice or apple something. What else did it need? What else did it need? Applesauce. Oh, so applesauce needs a bowl. What? There's one. Oh, give me rats. Give me rats. Give me rats. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Make a bowl. My hand's getting tired. I don't care. Pot. Apple. Oh, yes. Oh, I got the pot. Put it there in my bucket. Put it there in my bucket. Oh. So, I guess I'm gonna run around and get hungry. So my sword a bit. And see you guys next time. Ah! Run! Massacre again! Second massacre!